Hi, guys. Welcome to our podcast. How are you, Roz?
Hello there. I'm fine. How are you feeling?
Yeah. I have a terrible backache.
Yes, I can see that. I know it's hard for you to sit right now, but it's great that you're doing this for the podcast.
Thank you, but you know what? My backache says, please go back to bed.
Oh no. Is the pain really bad?
Yes, but not as bad as my last illness.
Really? Which one?
Last winter, I had the flu. I had a temperature and a terrible cough. My nose was runny all the time. Ugh.
Now I remember. You stayed in bed for 6 days, right?
Yes, I felt sick all the time and watched cooking shows, but I could not eat anything.
Aw, that is very sad. Watching food when you're sick.
Exactly.
I also had a problem last month. I had a headache and a stomachache at the same time.
Both? Huh, that's not fair.
I know! The doctor gave me some tablets and some medical advice.
What advice?
Keep warm and drink a lot of water. What about you? You visited a doctor today. Did she give you tablets for your backache?
Yes, and she said I should not sit too long.
But you're sitting now.
Yes, for the podcast, this is a real responsibility.
Or maybe you just like talking.
That too. But I think it's better to finish it now.
Well, yes. Listeners, we hope you stay healthy and don't catch a virus.
And if you are sick, stay in bed and listen to our podcast.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. And please send a new bag to me.